Okay, so zenMode.hideActivityBar controls whether turning on zenMode also hides the activity bar at the left of the workbench. Interesting. It says at the left, but you can actually set the activity bar to the right. Anyway, the activity bar is this thing right here. And by default is set to true, which means it's going to hide the activity bar, so you don't see it. If you set this to false and you go on zenMode, you'll see the activity bar, and you can use it, obviously. You can do whatever you want with it. Now, when I am in Zen mode, well, I guess this depends on how Zen you want to go. But when I'm in Zen mode, I actually don't want to see the activity bar because I'm probably just coding. If I want to have just more space, I can just go full screen, right? And I have the activity bar, and I have the status bar down there, so that's perfectly fine. But when I want to go Zen, I just want to focus on code, right? And by the way, when you are in Zen mode, you can use Shift Command period to navigate the look at there. Look there at the breadcrumbs. And well, actually, this is a settings.json file, so it doesn't make much sense. So let me show you what happens if I open an index.html file. I can actually go into the breadcrumbs, and I can select other files from within the breadcrumbs, right? So I want to go to my main file, can work a little bit here, can go to the breadcrumbs again by pressing Shift Command period, open my index. Also, you can just search for index and go there. So when I'm in Zen mode, I don't want to see the activity bar, so I'm leaving this one set to true, which means it's going to hide it.